Let me be real with you. Most people are not poor because they're lazy. They're poor because they repeat the same money mistakes every single day. And the scary part, nobody ever teaches them how to fix it. In this video, I'll break down the biggest financial mistakes keeping people poor and exactly what you can start doing today to escape them. Stay with me. This might completely change how you see money. Welcome to Digital Wealth Mindset, where we talk about money, mindset, and smart ways to build wealth in the digital age. Let's get into it. Mistake number 1. No financial plan. One of the biggest mistakes people make is living without a plan. Money comes in, money goes out. End of the month, nothing left. To fix mistake number 1, give money a job. Give every dollar a job. When money has direction, it stops disappearing. Mistake number 2, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise in salary for promotion, then you upgrade your lifestyle, and somehow you're still broke. To fix mistake number 2, financial freedom. You don't need to look rich, you need to be free. Mistake number 3, one income only. One income is fragile, multiple incomes create peace of mind. Mistake number 4, saving without investing. Saving protects money, investing grows money. Mistake number 5, bad debt and habits. Buying things you don't need with money you don't have to impress people who don't care. Money mindset shift. The truth is that wealth starts in the mind before it ever shows up in the bank account. Thank you for watching this video. If you want more videos on building digital income, smart investing, and the right money mindset, subscribe to Digital Wealth Mindset.